Welcome to the Auto Hub. Today, we take a journey into the world of elegance, engineering, and pure automotive art. Standing right in front of us is the all-new 2026 BMW 7 Series, a car that doesn't just define luxury. It reinvents it from the ground up. When you first see it, even from a distance, you can feel the presence, the silent authority, and the aura it carries. This is not just a flagship sedan. This is BMW's ambition, shaped into steel and glass, brought to life with precision and passion. The moment the lights hit the shimmering, gleamy, oily silver paint, the car instantly transforms into a moving sculpture. The color shifts like liquid mercury, catching the surrounding reflections and bending them like waves. Every angle tells a different story. From some perspectives, it looks elegant and graceful. From others, it looks powerful, wide, and intimidating. That balance between beauty and aggression is what makes the 2026 7 Series feel like a masterpiece. Walk closer, and the first thing your eyes lock onto is the front fascia. Inspired by the Rolls-Royce Spectre, the enormous white detailed grille doesn't just exist for airflow, it exists to make a statement. A statement of dominance, a statement of presence. The BMW 7 Series logo at the center glows softly, reminding you that this car comes from a lineage where engineering intelligence meets emotional design. The headlights, sharp as a blade, cut through the air with a futuristic glow. These laser units are more than lights. They are adaptive storytellers, reshaping brightness and patterns according to your drive, your environment, and your speed. It's not just a car reacting to the road. It's a car that understands it. As you walk around the side, the limousine-like length comes into full view, long, stretched, low, and elegant. The silhouette is something you'd expect from a high-end luxury chauffeur car. But the truth is, the 2026 7 Series is built both for the driven and the driver. The glossy black accents around the windows, the sculpted character line running the entire length of the body, and the mesmerizing black alloy wheels give it a stance that feels planted and confident. BMW has taken luxury proportions and redefined them into something bold, something youthful, something futuristic. Move toward the back, and the story becomes even more dramatic. The taillights glow like red crystal blades, sharp, slim, and floating. In the center, the BMW 7 Series lettering sits proudly on a matte black plate, contrasting perfectly with the gleaming silver body. The bumper is sculpted like fine architecture, and the expanded rear stance makes it look ready to launch forward like a predator hiding its power. But the magic truly begins when you step inside. As you open the door, a soft, welcome animation plays across the interior lights, inviting you into a space that feels more like a private jet cabin than a car. The seats are wrapped in ultra-soft leather, stitched with precision that feels handcrafted. The dashboard is a floating masterpiece, a seamless blend of glass, wood, carbon fiber, and glowing silver accents. Sit down, and the car adjusts itself around you. The steering wheel moves gently into position. The seat hugs you softly, and the ambient lighting shifts into a warm tone like the inside of a luxury suite. You don't just sit in the 7 Series, you arrive in it. Touch the start button, and the entire cabin wakes up quietly. The engine hums like a heartbeat, smooth, deep, and steady. Under the hood lies a hybrid powertrain engineered for instant torque and refined performance. BMW has crafted an engine that combines the quiet intelligence of electricity with the spirited roar of a turbo power unit. It's fast, refined, and surprisingly efficient. Glide forward, and you'll feel an experience only the 7 Series can deliver. The suspension reads the road before you even reach it. Cameras and sensors monitor bumps, dips, and imperfections, adjusting the suspension in real time so you float gently above everything. Inside the cabin, the city outside becomes silent. Noise cancellation eliminates chaos, isolating you in an environment so peaceful you can hear the soft vibrations of the audio system. Push the car gently and watch how it responds. The power delivery is instant, smooth, and confident. The steering is precise and weighted perfectly. You don't have to fight the car. It moves with you, like it anticipates your intentions. Turn the wheel slightly and the car leans gracefully with balance and elegance. Driving through the night, the reflections on the oily silver body become mesmerizing. Streetlights dance across the surface like liquid light. Passers-by look in awe, phones come out, and the 7 Series becomes the center of attention without even trying. This is a car built to make a statement, quietly but unmistakably. But the 7 Series is not just for the driver. It is built equally for those who sit in the back, the VIP seats. Slide into the rear cabin and enter a world of true luxury. Each rear seat reclines like a first-class airline pod. Screens unfold in front of you. Ambient lighting glows like candlelight. And the high-definition panoramic roof opens up to display the night sky. It's a space where you can work, relax, or even fall asleep while the world outside moves silently by. The Bowers & Wilkins sound system surrounds you with audio quality so detailed, you feel the music more than you hear it. Every instrument, every beat, every vibration feels like you're inside a live studio session. The climate system is intelligent enough to learn your preferences. The massage settings adjust, automatically depending on how long you've been sitting. Even the scent system adds a touch of freshness, giving the interior a signature fragrance. Now step outside again, into the bright showroom where the glossy white lights reflect onto the perfect floor. The 7 Series stands like a luxury yacht, wide, majestic, and breathtaking. The paint, the curves, the reflections, everything feels sculpted for admiration. The 2026 BMW 7 Series doesn't rely on chrome for attention. It uses glossy black accents, futuristic LED elements, and satin metallic touches to modernize the concept of luxury. This is not the old-school luxury sedan with heavy chrome and traditional shapes. This is future luxury, sleek, sharp, and emotionally powerful. Move to the front again and observe the hood. Underneath lies the beating heart of BMW engineering. Open it, and the engine bay appears like a piece of mechanical art. Polished parts, carbon fiber reinforcements, gold-tinted coils, and clean electrical systems show how much attention BMW has given to making even the unseen parts of this car beautiful. BMW didn't build this car to compete with other luxury sedans. They built it to dominate them. Every detail, every button, every surface, every bolt has a purpose. Nothing is excessive. Nothing is ordinary. It's a car built for people who don't just want luxury. They want technology, power, elegance, and intelligence wrapped into one machine. The 2026 BMW 7 Series is an experience, a feeling, a presence. When you park it at a hotel, people notice. When you arrive at an event, it sets the tone. When you drive it through the city, even the reflections admire it. The car tells the world who you are, without you ever needing to say a word. And that's the magic. Not loud, not showy, just undeniably powerful. And so as we stand here in the bright luxury showroom, looking at this gleaming masterpiece, one thing becomes clear. The 2026 BMW 7 Series is not just the future of BMW, it's the future of luxury itself. This is where comfort meets intelligence. This is where design meets technology. This is where presence meets performance. This is the new definition of elegance. And this is the new meaning of power. Welcome to the Auto Hub, where every car has a story, and every story brings you closer to the future of automotive perfection.